Hi, I'm Greg Newcomer from Verico Energy Systems. I want to introduce a new way to change your fluorescent fixtures to a low-cost, high-quality alternative. The Magnilumen product is a fast, easy-to-install, long-life magnetic retrofit kit. The first thing you need to do is switch the power off at the breaker and the light switch. All local and state codes should be followed when retrofitting this fixture. The removal is simple. You just open the fixture, remove the tubes, open the cover and disconnect the ballast, snip the wires back neatly, and then wipe down the fixture and lens, and you're ready to go. Just attach the driver where one of the ballasts was and attach one light strip on each side where the two tubes were before. Then snap the connections together and that part is all done. Put the cover back and turn the power on. You'll have a great light, you'll save money, and rest assured with a 5-year warranty. This fixture will be rated for 100,000 hours. The old fixture used 184 watts of energy. Magnilumen uses 40. You'll save 75% on your light power charge. Please call 856-745-7714 or visit our website at vericoenergy.com. We'll be happy to help you.